Hello YouTube family and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Alright family, today's star of the show is not this beautiful 0.96 pound ribeye steak. It is actually the steak pen or steak piercer and this thermometer. And they're both from Temu. Alright family, y'all stick around. This might be a good video. Alright family, alright, if you'll focus in on this. Now, you're probably asking yourself, why does he have a steak on the frying pan upside down?
I was asking myself.
Well, with this being a non-stick frying pan, I need to pierce the steak, so I don't want to scar the frying pan. So I decided to turn it upside down, so I don't have to wash a bunch of dishes.
Oh, you're gonna throw shade on me.
Excuse me?
Okay, then.
Well, Fitzgerald might want to wash dishes.
Go ahead.
All right, family, so we're going to start on this end. And this is our first time using this. So we're going to pierce, 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 pierce. And this is the bone end. So
You think it's gonna make that much of a difference?
they say this works. I got to know. That's why I ordered it.
That's why
And
you
I ordered it from Temu. If it doesn't work, this thing only costs like $3.
Can you send it back? That's the thing.
No, not once
Amazon
I got
doesn't it.
juice. Once I got steak juice on it.
Oh my goodness.
I wonder what would that do to the dog that's checked for drugs. If I send this back and it smells like a steak, he probably gonna tear the box open. He gonna think it's
You got
cocaine.
something good in there.
He think I got cocaine in there.
You should tell him how you snuck that in, trying to hide what you bought from
No, I
Temu.
didn't. It just came in a big container.
You come
that-
sneaking in the house with that doggone Temu
It looked like
bag.
a big container that had a dress in it. So how is that sneaking it in?
I can tell you one thing, the front of our house looked like a Temu business with all the stuff you be ordering from
Hey,
there.
I like Temu. And out of all the stuff I get, I probably only ordered $150 worth of stuff.
We're
That's
gonna
how
look
cheap
it up.
is. We will.
Okay,
We'll look at my record.
we're gonna make him eat those words. He order a lot more than
I'm gonna
that.
make you eat this tender steak.
Oh, it looks delicious already.
All right, family. So we're gonna go ahead and get our fire started. We're gonna go ahead and get our oil on. We're gonna season the steak, and we'll come back once we get started. All right, family, y'all stand by. We'll be right back.
Is the video going?
Yeah.
Okay, now you ordered those very expensive trays from Temu, those silver trays, and you
I
said
got
you're
those
going
from
to
the
use them
Dollar
for
Tree.
your videos.
They're not big enough for this.
Okay, because I'm calling you out.
No.
All the spending that you're doing for your YouTube
No, these are
videos.
dollar trays, and they're not big enough.
Oh, I thought
Duh.
they came from Temu. I was about to tear you up.
I don't think it's big enough.
I was ready.
No. Would that fit?
You didn't even try. And when it fit
No, that's
perfectly,
good. All
that's
right.
another purchase
That's a
for
dollar.
YouTube.
$1.
Another YouTube purchase.
Yeah, a YouTube purchase, yes, but it's tax free. It's a tax deduction.
Tax deduction. They taxes on that money you get from YouTube.
I know we ain't getting nothing from it. All right, fam. How y'all like that pink sauce? I love this stuff. I got hooked on it. Now, from what I learned about what I learned about cooking steaks, you should only salt it right before you get ready to cook it. And the battery dead on the pepper grinder. I know this is pepper here
I know,
somewhere.
gorgeous. I'm going on to the.
Aha! I know we had pepper. You just didn't look. She just like a 12-year-old. She
I'm
don't.
looking for regular pepper.
You don't deal in the kitchen. I understand.
No, I'm about to make those ribs. I'm going to show them how to make some good ribs.
Oh, yeah. Y'all stand by for that video, y'all. All right, y'all. That grease is good and hot. Let's go for it. Did I salt this side? Nope.
Hurry up, bro, before the alarm go off.
There we go. And away from me. Boom.
You're going to cook it medium well or medium rare?
Man, I'm gonna cook it for you.
Thank you.
Well. Dead well. harmoniously well.
I am hungry.
All right, we're gonna let it do this side for about 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Yeah, for me it would be like a minute.
Oh.
It'd be already done. The salt and pepper is right there. I gotta put a battery in there.
Well, they'll pull out my ribs that I'm about to show them how to cook some
That's
ribs.
a separate video.
They need to know about it. Let them know what's coming
you
in
know
the
what?
future.
Yeah, y'all stand by for this video.
Yeah.
Check these ribs out.
I'm gonna show you how to make ribs.
Check these ribs out, y'all. Y'all stand by. She said she could do a video, so she figured out how to make it simple. Cook in a bag ribs. Y'all check. This video will be coming up next, most likely. Y'all stand by for that.
Oh man, you said I can't cook. I'll show you I can cook.
I don't know how you even found those.
Ah, I told you. Cookie told me about them.
Yeah, her friend at work, y'all, told her about the cook in a bag. Ooh, yeah.
You think it's been 3 minutes? It looks like it's done already.
I know, right? You should know what 3 minutes would look like.
So should you. I made him have a coffee sip. Poor baby.
Yeah, we was real time, y'all. Normally we gotta cut and do a lot of stuff in these videos. We keeping this one real time. That's that thick crack black pepper.
That what?
Crunch in your mouth.
What
That
is
black
it?
pepper, that grinder, kind of grinds the pepper a little thick.
Oh wait.
All right, y'all, let's dump a little butter. Let's get a little spoon. I wasn't gonna dump the butter on there. I was gonna get the piercing thing, but I think that flavor is going to penetrate. Turn that down. Nope. I'm gonna flip it one more time. I see a little bit of that red stuff on it. It's not blood, but see a little bit of that coming out on this side. I know you don't like that.
I thought you were supposed to sit it out and make it rest and let it finish.
We all gonna let
cooking.
it rest.
Look at me learning. Look at me learning.
Yeah, but you've been watching the expert.
Yeah, I've been watching little YouTube.
Yeah, whatever.
Woo!
All right, y'all. Your boy, I'm sweating like I'm on stage, like I'm on camera. Woo!
It looks delicious.
I think it's gonna be good. You're gonna have a nice crust on the outside, just like you're supposed to. I'm just concerned about the tenderness. Oh, I did tell him I got 2 things, right?
What's the other thing?
The thermometer.
Oh.
This was just a couple of bucks as well. That's how you cut it on.
This is
My
the
hands are all
debut,
bleeding.
Daddy. This is the debut on your channel.
This is Miss Debut.
Oh,
Check it out.
Okay.
It's so cheap it don't even have a name. You gonna probe that? See, I'll let y'all see. You see how?
What am I supposed
What
to
does
be
it say?
looking at?
The temperature.
Oh,
Does it say?
yeah, but I can't read it. I got my glasses on, but I can't see
145.
it. What's
But
it
in
supposed to be?
degrees. Steak should be about 145.
And that's
in
what it
terms of
is?
temperature. Yep.
Take it off then. I don't want it to burn, Daddy.
Well, it ain't gonna burn. It ain't burning. You're going right back in this tray.
The tray that was supposed to be for your YouTube video.
The tray, the YouTube tray. Let me wipe that down for you.
I'm about to take my steak off myself. Hurry up.
The steak is fine. I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this for a couple of weeks now. All right, fam. Here goes. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? All right,
What the
fam.
other side look like?
Put
It
this
looks
aside.
delicious. The other side look good too?
The same. Perfect. All right, fam. We're gonna let that rest.
How long is it supposed to rest? The temperature changes while it's resting?
Let's make sure. Ooh, it's 162, 165. I just want to make sure it's done. It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay. As long as it's greater than 1.
Exactly. All you're doing is killing bacteria. Oh, we killed it. Dead. 171.
Okay.
All right.
Well, I'm ready to eat.
Let's let it rest for about 10 minutes. And
10
then we'll
minutes?
come back.
Really?
Yes. Yes. We'll be right back, fam.
Bye. There butter on the corn on the cob already?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, family. This steak has been resting about 12 minutes because Lady Red wanted corn on the cob. So I dropped 3 pieces of corn on the cob in the air fryer. That took about 12 minutes. We cooked it in butter, as you will see. I'll drop a clip in right here. So family, what we're about to do is cut into this well-rested steak to see if the tenderization process was a go. All right, so far so good. Ooh, real tender. All right, I'm gonna let her have a taste off. Ooh, snatch that, would you?
I'm hungry.
All right. Is it tender? It's not as tender as you think it would be with that?
Yeah.
About the same?
Yeah.
Wow, I thought that would work. Well, we want to keep it real. All right.
Steak
Well, my
is
steaks are always so tender anyway. It's gonna be hard to make them more tender. Try one more piece. Oh, you still eating that one? Okay. All right. All right, fam.
No, it's delicious though.
With just salt and pepper. Lady Red says she don't think that made it any more tender. Let me try a piece. Hold on. Really? I don't know. Maybe I need to stab it more.
Maybe you should have banged
It's
it.
good.
You should have banged it.
But that stabbing technique is supposed to be the best in the business.
Oh,
We're going to try another one. This may have not been a quality steak. It's a good steak. It tastes delicious, though. And it's tender.
it's
Just,
a little cold.
but it's just because I waited
12 minutes.
12
I know.
minutes, 15
for my,
minutes. 'cause
for my
you
corn
want
on the cob. I gotta have
All right,
it.
fam. We're just carrying on long enough. Let me swallow this so I'm not spitting on the camera. All right, family. I think this will work. We just got to use it, learn how to use it, and we know for sure that this cheap thermometer works. And those are both from Temu. This is really a Temu video, and I guess it is
A dollar store video.
Yeah, well, it's $1. Well, and these are from the dollar store.
That's
Dollar
what you
Tree.
said.
We look good. All right, family. If y'all enjoy this kind of content, y'all know what to do. Give your boy a thumbs up. If you like what we doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Awesome videos. All right, fam. Y'all take care. Have a great day. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.
Peace.
It's good, though.